Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add filters onto your photo on the Snapseed application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Snapseed app on your device, and once you open it up, you can tap on the plus icon or the open button in order to open up any photo from your gallery, and now you can start editing it right away. Now immediately once you open up your image, you will be taken into the style menu, from which you will be able to choose from various different filters that you can tap and see how it looks on your image. You may choose these filters and tap on the tick mark when you are satisfied in order to apply the changes. You can also tap on tools and you will find various other filters over here as well. Tap on the various different filters and see the different kinds of filters that you can apply within each category. You can also manually define the strength of each of the parameters within each of these filters. Once you are done with your edit, you can tap on the export button, and now you will be able to export your newly edited image on your device gallery. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to use various filters within your image on Snapseed. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.